Well, there are times when we create a report where in the report we include a formula that we created using the equation feature in Microsoft Word. We also want to change the font to match the font or letters in the contents of the report. There are still many friends who don't know how to change the font or letters in the formula in Word, but it turns out that it is very easy to change it, friends. Okay, let's get straight to it. The method is that friends first prepare the formula, whose font will be changed. Then friends select the formula, then friends enter the design menu. After entering the design menu, friends select normal text. Well, after that friends can change the font to the font you want. How easy, right? Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all friends. See you in the next video.